if you want to get success in your life, then you have to work really hard. अगर आप अपने जीवन में सफलता अर्जित करना चाहते हैं तो आपको कठिन परिश्रम करने की आवश्यकता है. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Shiv Shakti Study Mind. Today we are going to discuss about first chapter of class 8 science, crop production and management. This chapter's main motto is to relate us with agriculture. This chapter whole deals with the agriculture department or agriculture science. In this chapter we will discuss about what is the definition of crop, what are the different types of crops, when they were seeded and when they were harvested. Also we will discuss the crop seeding process from beginning to end, how we start sowing the seeds of different types of crops and how we store them and where we store them, what are the storage procedures and what are the difficulties and possibilities to store these crops. This video is for English medium students of NCERT pattern books. All the boards which follow NCERT pattern can relate with this video. This video is for English medium students. For Hindi medium students, there will be separate video uploaded shortly. Today is the first part of the video. We will discuss only small topics with small videos that you can watch normally. If the video is of longer size, then students these days skip it. So without skipping, watch the video. This video is going to be very interesting. We will discuss only 3 to 4 topics in the video and then video will be ending and next part will be uploaded soon. So let's begin with the definition of crop. What is the meaning of crop? Crop means when some same kind of plants are grown and cultivated on a large scale at a place, at same place, you can say, are called crops. When same kind of plants are grown and cultivated on a large scale at a place, same place is called crops. Here, some common crops grown, for example, some common crops grown in India are rice, wheat, ragi, gram, beans, tomato, banana, mango, mustard, etc. These are some common crops grown across India. If we talk about types of crop, there are two main types of crops according to the seasons, but we used to sow three types of crops in India. So according to the crop cultivation season, there are three main types or three main categories of crops. First crop is known as kharif crops. We say kharif crops as summer season crops also. Kharif crops are summer season crops because they sown in starting of rainy season in June or July. All the crops which are sown in the beginning of rainy season, June or July, and are harvested at the end of monsoon season during September or October are known as kharif crops. You have to only remember the sowing and harvesting time of the crops and you will come to know that which type of crop is this. Kharif crops are sown in starting of rainy season in June or July and are harvested in the end of monsoon season in September or October. When you sow them in July, you will harvest them in September. When you sow them in June, you will harvest them in September. When you sow them in July, you will harvest them in October. Kharif crops are also known as summer crops. They are summer season crops. Some examples are paddy, maize, millet, soya bean and groundnut are some examples of kharif crops, where paddy means rice. Paddy is rice when it is not fully prepared. Okay, now next type of crop is rabi crops. What are rabi crops? The crops which are sown at the beginning of winter season in September, in October or November. The crops which are sown at the beginning of winter season in October or November and are harvested in the March or April. And are harvested in the March or April, or by March or April. Rabi crops are also known as winter season crops because they are sown in the beginning of winter season in October or November and harvested at the end of winter season in March or April. Okay, some examples of winter season crops are wheat, gram, mustard, pea and linseed. Linseed are also known as flaxseed. Clear? Now let's go to the last topic of today. It's Zaid crops. After cutting the winter season crops or rabi crops, there is gap of 2 to 3 months from March April to June July. To fulfill this gap, some vegetables and pulses are sown and harvested. So the filling time of the gap is known as Zaid crops. They are known as Zaid crops. We can say they are mid-winter and summer crops. Mid-winter and summer crops. Zaid crops are known as mid-winter and summer crops. In this gap, many types of vegetables and fruits are grown. Some pulses are also there to be grown. Let's see the definition of Zaid crops. The crops which are sown in March or April and are harvested by June or July. Crops which are sown in March or April and are harvested by June or July are known as Zaid crops, are mid-winter and summer crops. For example, watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, ladyfinger, black gram, gourd, bitter gourd are some examples of Zaid crops. Hope I am clear with the definitions and examples. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. This is the first part of the video and second and third part will be released soon. So be with us and enjoy your study. If you get our video relative and find our conversation interesting, please do subscribe our channel and share with your friends who are in need. Till then, हमारा प्रयास आपकी सफलता। धन्यवाद।